Network Entertainment.
Hi girls and boys! Kami ang
Lady Bosses!
Mga sister-alets,
CR tayo! Let's go!
So for those who don't know yet, we're female stand-up comedians and we have Lady Bosses as a show to voice out our perspectives in life and current events. Tulad na lang ngayon, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. At tagal ko na kinukuha tong guest. Sobrang hirap nung schedule niya. At may isang
Pasensya na
beses,
po.
akala niya ibang araw.
Oo.
Tapos, andito na kami.
Oo.
Ngayon ang guesting, tapos wala sila. Dahil
Sorry
siya rin
po.
po ay isang artista.
Sorry po.
ng
Sorry
bata.
po.
She's also an actress of Batang Quiapo. And
Now.
Sandy, now.
Yes, yeah.
And then we also have Ida, who's a dancer, commercial model. But you still dance well.
She's a choreographer
choreographer.
and
May
teacher.
sample yan mamaya.
Mike,
Pag sila taba ng dancer.
naman, okay lang
Tanda.
naman yun. So they're also a couple.
Yes.
They're a lesbian couple.
yes, we are.
Oh my God! Don't kiss! No.
Okay, no kissing,
Do you
no
want to kiss?
No!
Kami rin naman na. Maka-holding hands lang tayo na. So, they also have the Sandida show. Kasi,
Please follow us on
oh,
Instagram
ang
and
daming
TikTok.
yung followers.
Hindi naman.
Ang dami.
Hindi naman.
Because what we love about our show also is we try to guess other females and other funny women in the industry. Kahit hindi kayo stand-up comedians, basta funny kayo, ay pasok kayo sa Lady Bosses.
Okay.
So, take us through your relationship. They're almost 30 years
Wow.
together.
So, take us
So,
through
10
our
years tayo
relationship.
dito.
How long is your show? No, charot lang.
30. Paano kayo nagkakilala?
Nagkakilala kami nung college. Bali, ako, overstaying sa Lasal. Naiwan na lang yung thesis ko. So, ganun ako. Alam mo yung
6 years, 5. Di ako
magna 9 years.
Kasi labas-pasok.
Labas-pasok. Thesis na lang yung naiwan ko, nag-work na ako. Tapos syempre yung parents ko hindi papayag na wala akong diploma. So alam mo yung mag-enroll ako ng 1 term for my thesis pero wala na namang mangyayari. Nakailang palit nga ako ng thesis group eh.
Kasi nag-graduate na sila.
Kasi natatapos na sila ako nonsense, dinadrop nila ako. Kasi nga, nag-aano na ako noon eh, nagsusulat na ako for TV. Bagong bukas ang Channel 5, tapos yung pinaka-main show nila, parang variety show ni Pops Fernandez.
Uy, naalala ko yun.
Susulat na, POPS, yun ang
Oo
title
nga.
niya. Parang 1991. Basta anyway,
Oo.
Wait, trivia lang. Alam mo yung opening ng
nang
Pops
reopening ng Channel 5.
No, yung mismong
Show
Pops,
niya mismo.
Ay,
Oo.
hindi, reopening ng Channel 5, sorry. So, I was 15, I was in high school. I was part of the Metropolitan Theater dance group.
Yeah.
We were the dancers there.
Yeah.
Wala lang. Feeling lang namin mga connections namin.
Matalon-talon sila dun sa nasa
Pero-
Novaliches pa ang
Yeah,
Channel 5.
We were like the opening of Channel 5.
So
Pero hindi pa kayo
anyway,
nagkakilala at all.
Hindi
Yeah.
pa nagkakalala.
Kakatagal ko kasi nga magna 9 years ako. So finally, nung last balik ko na totoo naman, natapos ko na, dun ko siya na-meet. So we're 6 years apart. So nung college, big deal yon yung 6 years. Kasi 24 ako, tapos siya parang kaka-19 o pa-19 na siya.
Pero paano mo na-spot na papatol siya?
It was so mutual, di ba? Kasi in-introduce kami kasi
Magkamukha daw kami.
magkamukha daw kami. Parang sabi nung friend, Sandy, merong second
Bagong
year.
dance troupe.
Oo,
Oo.
bagong dance troupe na kamukha mo. Sabi ganon. So, in-introduce kami.
Natapos,
Tapos,
yun na yun. Kasi
Dramatics Guild,
nag-Harlequin
pala.
Theater din
Harlequin.
siya. Harlequin din ako. So parang alam mo yun, hindi na naghiwalay yung
Parang nag-connect
namin.
na kami agad.
Tsaka instant. Parang
Instant
within
talaga.
days of meeting each other, parang ganun na. Yung,
May
tsaka
spark
ano to
na.
eh.
Connection na kagad.
Burare siya
What's
sa life.
burara?
Sa life niya. So,
Virgo
pumapasok
yan.
siya na wala siyang ballpen, wala siyang
Wala.
papel.
Ganun lang.
Yung pera niya, kalat-kalat. Alam mo yung ganon. Tapos yun, basta dumating siya. Tapos may tambayan ng Harlequin doon sa gilid, sa may likod ng aristocrat.
Oo, naalala ko yun.
O yan,
Dasal din
kung,
ako yun.
oo. Kung may aristocrat pa kaya, I guess wala na.
Wala na
But
yan.
anyway,
Natumba na yun.
para doon sa mga lumang tao. Tulad ko.
Sa Rojas
Tulad
na lang
namin.
alam ko yung aristocrat.
May aristocrat dati sa loob ng Lasal. Katabi ng SPS building.
Oh my God, SPS.
Sa may quadrangle.
Oo, sa
Yan.
Wait lang. Sobrang luma mo. Pwede.
Sa sobrang lumang tao ko, pwede pa magyosi sa
magyosi.
loob ng
Siya.
Lasal.
Tapos may time,
Oo.
yung ID number mo, nagmamatter.
Oo.
Kung pwede ka magyosi. So, kunyari ako, ID 95. Hindi na pwede magyosi. And ang
May
yosi-
ganon gradual
weird,
yung
girl.
Seniority, gano'n.
Gradual
Oo,
yung pag
gradual
kumbaga
yung pag
parang
ano.
ID 91 and below,
Imagine.
pwede pa magyosi.
Eh, siya yun, 89 siya.
So minsan pagdadaan yung mga
Ikaw na lang yung
discipline
nagyosi.
officer, kaming
So,
mga
mahuli
matatatanda, alam mo yung lima may
Lahat
sigarilyo
kami,
namin
hawakan
kasi
mo,
lahat ng mga
hawakan mo.
basyas. So ikaw yung parang Oo,
ashtray.
ang pinaka-famous pa na discipline officer noon si Mang Jack. Si Mang Jack. Na yumaon na si Mang Jack.
Oh, alam mo
yes.
bang nagpagawa? Oh, wala na si Mang Jack. Nagpagawa ng Mang Jack Hall.
Yan.
Mang Jack Hall.
Pero ang ganda.
Tapos si Mang Jack, ang tawag niya sa akin kasi merong nun, ang mga racket, may laugh sa light nun. Tapos ang laugh sa light,
So,
What is that?
yun yung parang comedy show ng
That's where
Harley
lalo
Quinn
kami
at the beginning.
nagkailaban.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yun yung pinaka-fundraising ng...
How does it go? Anong mga
It's a gag show.
It's awesome.
It's like what's the famous of UP? What's their famous like
Ay, no, ito, UP
comedy?
Gag show.
Repertory?
So parang
Hindi,
sketch
hindi.
comedy.
Ay,
Oh, ganun
Sketch
siya.
comedy.
Full,
Baka
like,
tayo mawala na
full
siguro.
2.5 hours of
Masaya.
just gags and gags and gags. Laugh sa light yung tawag. Tapos meron kaming nun, may segment na parang poking fun at Little Miss Philippines, mga little girl pageant. Ang namin is Little Miss Love Goddess.
ganda.
Tapos ako si Miss Korea. Gasing ganun ang pronunciation na hindi
Korea.
Korea. Hindi Korea, Miss Korea. Na I guess kay Mang Jack, patok na patok yon.
Nanonood si Mang
I
Jack.
guess, diba? So tapos, tuwing dadaan siya, tapos ganun, hawak-hawak mo lahat ng sigarilyo kasi yun yung original story natin, but I digress. Anyway. Oo. Anyways, kasi nga, sila bawal na magyosi, kami pwede pa. So yun nga, dadaan yung mga DO, lahat ng sigarilyo, nakaganon sa So si Mang Jack, dadaan na lang, gaganon siya, ay nako, Miss Korea, ayaw na kitang tignan!
Tawag siya, Miss Korea.
Miss Korea ang tawag niya sa akin. So yun lang. Ang haba ng kwento, ang
Pero
baduy ng
so, 6
punchline.
years ang gap nyo.
Yeah.
6 years.
So, parang spark talaga when you...
Grabe.
Yeah.
Grabe.
So yun, within days, since nga ganun siya, walang wallet, walang bag, walang
Ikaw taga-provide.
Lahat ng gamit niya,
Ikaw ang bag.
nasa akin na.
Siya yung bag.
Suddenly, pag dumadating siya, dire-diretso siya dun sa bag ko, nilalabas niya yung wallet ko, tapos lahat ng
Sinasaksak
laman
ko
ng
yung
bulsa
money
niya,
ko,
isasaksak niya yung barya-barya na dun, yung pera niya dun.
Yeah.
Ganon.
Tapos share na kami. Share na lahat. Money.
Conjugal na kagad.
Oo, ganun agad. Ang bilis, no?
Ang galing. Sana meron din akong ganun, no? Ng bag.
walking bag.
So that was 1996.
96.
Pero so you girls never had a boyfriend or anyone?
I did.
You,
I
from the
did.
start, you knew you were...
No, she
No,
had
I was
Yes.
actually parang by the
You
late
had a
bloom. I had
boyfriend? She had
so
a
many
lot of
boyfriends.
boyfriends.
Yun kasama nga yun
What?
sa...
So many boyfriends?
Yeah, kasama pa sa issue ng nanay ko yon when I was coming out na parang pinagsasasabi mong tomboy ka, kung magpalit ka ng boyfriend para ka nagpapalit ng t-shirt. May mga ganyan pa yung nanay ko sa akin.
Kasi hindi mas open yung mga parents. I think hindi siya widely publicized.
Pero when you came out, alam mo nang lesbian ka, hindi ka bi.
Oo. Tsaka alasa, yung lahat ng boyfriend ko, walang lumampas ng 2 months. Putol agad at 2 months. Parang may sasabihin lang siya, may gagawin lang siya.
Ayoko
Parang,
na.
ayoko na to, yuck.
super turned off ka.
Oo. Tsaka
Pero there
ganun
was an
ako.
attraction to begin with.
Yeah.
Oh, di ba somehow bi?
I guess. Pero not in I mean, I guess there's enough attraction. Pero now it's 30 plus years later. Oh, I can see how men are attractive. I can see how they're eye candy the way we all can see attractive people. But I'm never attracted enough to be in a relationship
To
with
stay,
them. That's not
romantically.
enough. Oh, that's
Looking back, do you see it as you?
not really.
Oh.
Like there were 1 or 2 there that I actually deeply loved.
Oh.
In that age, alam mo 'yon, at 18, 19, 20, yung parang ay minahal ko to. Oo.
Even now, when you see them, you guys...
There's affection.
May
There's
affection pa rin
oo.
sila.
Ang galing. Gusto ko tuloy malaman kung anong itsura nila? Like, ano yung type
Mahaba silang
mong
babae.
lalaki noon?
No.
Iba-iba yung
Iba-iba
itsura
itsura.
ng
I
boyfriend.
didn't have a particular type. Oh.
So, more of ano siya, parang the personality than the looks.
Yeah, I guess.
Probably.
Yeah.
So, ano yung tawag nila ngayon sa ganun? Kasi ngayon ang dami ng terms, di ba?
Oo, nakakalito
Ang
na yan.
gender.
Pero wait, nasabi yan sa akin nung inaanak ko eh. Parang,
Cisgender? Hindi, parang...
Hindi, cisgender is straight, di ba?
No,
Ano ba yun? Pansexual.
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 Yeah, you could say pansexual.
no, actually, we were just talking
Yeah,
about
we were
this.
talking
Na
about
parang,
it kanina.
I'm thinking na parang
Paano nga?
actually all human beings are pansexual in some way except we're conditioned, we're raised by society to not be. I have a feeling na if there weren't so many rules, we would all be pansexual. Kasi 'di ba, yung especially for women, hindi ka naman yung ay ang gwapo nito. Na hanggang tumanda na kayo, 50 years na kayo, yun lang ang pinangahawakan mo because he's so good looking. Hindi naman totoo yun eh, 'di ba? You fall in love with what's inside with the person's soul, right? So, what does it matter?
And it couldn't, parang it's just not romantically involved with some person that you get attracted with na in a pansexual way. It could be like a
Yeah.
workmate na parang, oh, love ko tong personality.
Yeah.
Yung aura nito. Pwedeng ganyan, di ba? So tama, pansexual tayo in all kinds of forms.
That's just my working theory. Working theory?
Anong difference, for example, you growing up as a lesbian and now, do you feel a difference?
Yeah, we were talking about this. So she has a cousin who's like 20 years younger than us, who's also with she's also in a long-term relationship with the lesbian. The difference is, kami kasi, parang we moved in the world na hindi kami nag-holding hands, hindi kami showy.
In,
Because
like
it
from
was
the
the
90s.
90s, it was the alam mo yung...
In a way, that's sad eh.
It's
For
sad.
me, it was sad. Parang ano ba yan?
Kasi parang there
Hindi
was
namin na-experience
in the early days of Facebook,
Yeah.
must have been around, I don't know, like 08, 09. Alam mo, konti pa lang nga nagfe-Facebook. Somebody uploaded this video of how na parang when you hold hands, let's say you're holding hands on the bus or on the train, and then someone sits across from you or beside you, and then they notice you're holding hands, and then your tendency is to let go. And I remember that video na ang laki-laki nung impact sa akin. Kasi kumbaga, ganun kami. Ikot
We're
kami
like
ng mall. Bata kayo, di ba? Ikot ka ng mall.
Mapapaganyan, mapapahold
Ang
hands.
tendency mo talaga is
Biglang.
magaganyanan kayo. Tapos biglang pag yung parang, o nga pala, ayaw natin. Baka mamaya mabugbog pa tayo dito.
Magulo. I mean, we were so afraid.
Bumibitaw
Oo.
kami. Oo.
Diba?
Tapos I remember that video, yung point niya, it must have been for Pride Month or some like that, na parang kumbaga, don't let go. Tapos napag-usapan namin with her cousin who's 20 years younger than me. Because so pag kayo, hindi kayo bumibitaw. Tapos yung itsura nila, yung reaction pa lang nila dun sa tanong ko, yung parang
No.
preposterous,
Bakit?
yung what a ridiculous question. Yung itsura nila sa akin, yung,
Bakit?
hindi, Ate Sandy. Yung parang, kaya
Amazing,
ako, oh my
right?
God, how the world has changed, di ba? So ngayon,
Yeah, we are
ine-effort
more,
namin yun
like,
kasi may tendency ka pa rin na holding hands ka,
Yeah.
tapos biglang mamaya-maya gaganon, tapos para marirealize namin, ay,
Bakit ba?
di
Hold
ba?
hands nga tayo.
Naging reflex.
Blip you all,
Yeah.
di ba? Yung,
Pero reflex kasi nga lumang tao. Alam mo yan.
di ba, natatakot ka na, baka, alam mo yun, babastusin ka ng
Yeah.
matandang mama. Yung, alam mo yung ganon, ibabash ka, baka
Pagsasabihan
sapukin ako
ka.
ng Bible
Yeah.
sa head.
Oo.
Lord, paramdam mo naman, mahal mo. And then, sorry, biglang lumabas siya sa akin.
Very artista. As a batang yabang. Alam mo, meron din kaming moments na ganyan. Kasi medyo matagal. Matagal na ba? 15 years?
Oo naman.
Oo. Pero hindi pa kami married. Like, hanggang ngayon, nag-holding hands pa rin kami. Tapos, pinapansin kami ng mga tao na parang, hanggang ngayon, nag-holding hands pa rin kayo? Ano problema? In love pa rin naman kami sa isa't
Kasi
isa.
parang kumbaga kasi,
Tagal nyo na.
Old couple na daw kayo.
Parang, bakit?
but that's so strange.
Di ba?
Why not?
Like ako, my parents were married for 50 years. At kahit saan kami magpunta, magka-holding hands yung parents ko.
Oo.
Minsan yung tatay ko, dalawa pa, pati ako ka-holding hands
kailangan
sa gitna. Oo.
Medyo requirement na siya kasi baka matumba.
Hindi naman. No, yun yung time na my dad passed in 2019. Pero what I'm saying is, alam mo yun, that was so normal
Yeah.
na for my parents na in their old age, anywhere, my entire life, they were
Yeah.
they were holding hands whenever we were out.
Kayo ba may gaydar? Kunyari, can you spot a lesbian?
Maybe, yeah.
Kasi
It's
gays are like that,
I'm not,
Kahit na
ano,
lipstick lesbian.
Oo, pero meron ako,
Yung nakadamit babae, pero lesbian sila.
femme presenting.
Yeah.
Femme, what is the pronunciation?
Femme,
Sorry,
femme.
hindi kasi hindi ako galing France na kumakain ng croissant.
Croissant.
Napanood ko yung video niyo na yun. Yung pagkasama yung friends na ano. ganyan. Anyway, tapos.
I think meron akong gaydar, hindi lang 100%. Hindi lang
Ako naman,
100%.
meron din, pero hindi lang nagfo-focus doon.
Oo.
Hindi ako
Mas
nag-focus
ano
sa
yata
gaydar
ako,
ko.
I think mas 100% pa yung gaydar ko sa lalaki.
Sa
Oh,
lalaki.
medyo madaling i-identify sa lalaki.
Mas mahirap sa
Di
girls.
papacheck kami sa'yo. Di papacheck tayo sa kanya na
Dapat pala
comedian.
nagdala tayo ng mga picture.
Pero sila lang nakakakita. Nandito lang.
Kaya yung gaydar, kailangan ano talaga.
Sa
Kailangan
girls, I think with women, I think mas reliable sa akin yung straight dar.
Oo.
So with women, parang I can tell,
Kung straight
I'm
to.
always 100% sure na parang no, this one is straight. This will never.
Nah.
Like not even spaghetti.
Meron bang straight
You know
pretending to be
spaghetti
lesbian?
though? Do you know
What's
spaghetti?
What's spaghetti?
Oo naman. Ang daming girls na straight,
Wait,
pero
do you
mukhang
know
lesbian.
what
Or
spaghetti
pretending to be
is?
lesbian.
Straight
What?
until wet.
What the what?
Yan yung spaghetti.
Sabi ganyan.
What do you mean straight until wet?
Kahit na mawet na siya, straight pa rin siya, sa lalaki pa rin siya.
Papatol.
Okay.
Spaghetti pala yun.
Until wet? Meaning, until may matry na girl?
Hindi,
No.
yung until like, alam mo yon, yung she's kinda frisky that night.
Ah,
yung
yeah,
alam mo
yeah,
yun,
may girls na ganun.
So, papatol.
It takes,
Edi tama.
Oh, yeah.
Oo.
Ganun nga.
Hindi, so papatol o straight pa rin kahit anong gawin mo?
Papatol.
ang spaghetti, papatol.
Papatol nga. Ay,
Straight
pala.
until wet nga. Parang, pero mas reliable sa akin yun, yung I don't know what the word is, yung opposite ng gaydar. Na kumbaga alam ko agad na hindi.
Ay, oo.
Hindi ito ever. Like, ang dami ko nasabihan na parang, girl, nagsasayang ka ng oras, itigil natin to. Yung parang,
So, maniligawan na kayo dati? Na
no.
hindi talaga
To
kayo
friends.
friends.
We've just been together forever,
So,
right?
wala
So we
na
have
akong
no...
chance.
So, kayo lang ang first
No, I had someone before her.
Yeah, she had someone
Yeah,
before
but it
me.
wasn't really... Like, it was serious at the time that I was in it, but then when she came along, I was like,
Yeah, na-realize niya na, ito pala yun.
yeah.
Ito pala yung relationship, parang gano'n.
Meron ba kayo na encounter naman na pretending to be lesbian but actually straight? Just for
Ang
the name
daming
of it.
ganon.
Dami na
Ang
ngayon.
daming ganon.
Actually, yun yung problema ngayon.
Ang daming ganon.
Just to have a parang
Like I
Attention.
remember in the early 2000s there was this she was sort of semi-famous. I will not mention her name because let's not do that. Na she had a boyfriend. Excuse me. She had a boyfriend, but she presented herself and was very vocal about being bisexual. Pero
cool thing nowadays
pero
to be
she's
bisexual.
Oh.
She's not.
not bisexual.
Kaming mga totoong bakla tomboy, alam namin na she only claims to be bisexual kasi willing siya na guest star sila ng other girl for a threesome in their relationship, which I don't think makes you any kind of queer. In fact, I think that makes you straighter because you're only doing it because your
your guy.
boy wants it. That's my thing. It's not like you both equally want na parang, look at this girl, right?
So in love lang siya sa boyfriend niya.
Bowa niya.
Tapos
Kaya niya
medyo
gagawin
siya
yun.
nagkaroon ng very short-lived career, but there was a time in that
Yeah.
very short-lived career na she was almost like the it girl na
It girl na representing
representing LGBT.
lesbian.
So lahat kami yung parang,
Nakakainis.
this is so offensive because you're straight. All you do is pinagbibigyan mo yung boyfriend mo.
Parang
But-
by dating
Oo.
na siya. Well,
Just to have to stand out siguro in a crowd.
I guess.
So we get that a lot.
Yeah.
career for,
For the career. oh.
ngayon
Para
for
may different
clout.
change.
Nax,
Oh,
yun
for
ngayon.
clout.
Di ba ngayon for clout?
For different
Di ba ganyan din si Mocha Uson?
Did she say that she was bi?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Tsaka diba,
Ang dami niya.
Meron
Di ba? Ang
siyang-
dami,
may-
ang dami niyang sexy.
Yeah, silang
Ano?
dalawa nung sa Mocha Babes.
Mocha Girls niya.
Mocha Girls.
Marami siyang di ba
Oo.
before she became that whole...
Pero hindi siya bi or hindi siya lesbian.
not sure what she is. I'm
Kung
not
ba't
sure.
mo pinasok sa usapan yun?
Bakit
Oh my
ba?
God.
Parang gusto pang masira ng ang ganda-ganda na ng
Yes.
flow ng
Ang ganda ng
usapan natin, di ba?
O sige nga, lipat nga muna tayo.
Mag-ano tayo, rotate. Bakit gano'n na nangyari?
Saan? Which one?
Ay, bakit naging naging BTS yung
Ay, ang daya!
Ang bagal mo eh. Para mahiwalay naman tayo sa
Magpo-volunteer sana ako, kaso dyan ako galing.
Bit time, Sandy and Ida. Sobrang na-fascinate kami sa Tomboy Philippines.
Tomboy
Tomboy Philippines?
Oh my God, ano yan? Ano siya pageant? Pageant sa
ng mga
Mga
boy, ng mga
masculine.
As in,
Okay.
Tapos hanggang sa lumabas na siya na lumabas sa feed ko. Parang yung tomboy na talaga.
Nagpapadala pa kami ng mga reels.
So, kamusta? Are they attractive?
Iba.
Yung problema lang
to
namin
see,
doon is iisa lang yung hulma nila.
Ayun lang.
Like, iisa lang yung
Alam mo, wait,
profile.
nakakita na yata ako ng ganyan. Tapos I agree, parang iisang
Iisa
barbero
lang.
lang yung sponsor. yeah.
Pati workout, baka pati workout, isa lang, no? Yung
Actually, yun ang main sponsor, Jim Barbero.
Isip nyo, lahat naman ng pageant, kahit babae, kahit iisa lang hulma nila.
Biglang
Kaya nga pwede.
Nagitna ka lang, ang dami mong opinion na yan.
Kailangan mo magsalita. So, kailangan may something.
Ikaw, tingnan mo, napunta ka dyan, kanina nandito ka, hindi ka... Tingnan mo ngayon.
Punta tayo sa gitna, ganun pala yun. Nakaka-pressure dito. Ayoko nga tumingin sa camera.
Pero tama, parang naka-template yung mga contest.
Kunyari sa Miss Universe, hindi pwedeng may ganito. Iba yung template, di ba? So, I guess ganun din, kahit
Yun
sa...
yung tsura nila.
Ano
parehas
ulit?
lang. Tomboy
Tomboy
Philippines.
Philippines.
That's my tomboy. Judge tayo. Bakit? Ikaw marami ka na experience na pag-judge ka.
Tsura sila. I mean, nakakatawa lang yung swimsuit competition. Kasi hindi naman pwede.
Ba't umabot ka na pinapanood yung swimsuit?
Wait, may swimsuit competition.
Hindi, parang naka-tube top. Tapos,
Kasi
Hindi
hindi lahat,
yung
hindi
lahat pang
lahat,
rap.
Ano,
Wait, okay.
okay.
Wait, so kasi they're not trans men.
They're not trans men.
They're just
No,
very
they're not.
butch.
Dapat di ba yung...
Kasi yung joke, di ba?
sabihin mo, tuloy mo,
sa
kailangan.
pamilya dito, ang joke
Walang
nila.
censor to.
Kunyari, merong meron kaming big outing na ng family niya na excited lahat. Tapos sabi ko, teka, kailangan kong bumili ng ng either ng rash guard or ng swimsuit. Tangkini, bibili akong tangkini kasi parang wala na, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos biglang yung mga tita niya, yung alam mo yung pagtitripan ako, reregaluhan ako ng basketball jersey. Kasi yun naman daw talaga. Yun naman daw talaga ang turpis ng tivam. Diba kahit saan ka daw magpunta, bakit pag mga tivam naka-basketball jersey? Diba?
Ano tawag mo, Tivam?
Tivam.
Oo.
Why?
Tivam.
Can you
Tibo.
explain why?
Tibo.
Bakit nang mabot ng ganun?
Gay lingo lang.
Silinang lang.
Tivoli, tivam.
Tivoli. Nabot ako yung
Tivoli,
Tivoli.
tivam. Like,
Tivam.
driver, drivam.
Drivam, correct.
Di ko alam.
Gay speak.
Oo.
Yeah.
So kayo nag-gay-linggo kayo?
A lot.
Mild
You're
lang,
familiar with the
Kasi
gay
we
language.
used to have a lot. We used to like hang around a lot of gay men. That's how our lives. Siguro kasi she's a dancer. So
Dami naming
pinapaligiran
gay
kami
friends.
ng sangkabaklaan. Hindi kami masyado immersed sa sangkatibuan.
Sa sangkabaklaan talaga kami. Pero ngayon, they're all married in other countries. All settled, gano'n na. Matatanda na kami. So,
Where
hiwa-hiwalay na
marriage is
kami.
legal.
Kami yung
Yes.
pinakamatandang
Kaya pala.
couple. Kami yung hindi kasal.
Yes.
Lahat sila mga
Lahat
kasal
sila
na.
kasal
Is it by
abroad.
choice po?
Oh my God, no.
Hindi.
Wala sa law natin.
Na huwag magpakasal abroad.
Oo.
Kasi
Abroad
we
pwede
always
eh.
say, magpapakasal ka dun pagdating
Ito, wala.
Ito,
Wala
wala
sa
ring
bagay.
effect. Eh, ang
Sa
point mo
bagay.
is yung papel, yung legal, di ba?
So
Yung
if ever, magpa-party na lang. Party na lang tayo kung yun lang yung gusto namin.
Gender reveal.
Walang papel.
Gender
Gender reveal. Ang lang.
gender reveal.
Sa anak. Gender reveal.
Kung may gay lingo, may tibo lingo ba?
Oo nga, no?
Ay, alam mo, ewan ko. Mag-immerse nga tayo sa sangkatibuan.
Wala. Meron naman tayong friends.
Pero walang linggo.
Walang linggo nga.
Wala. Kasi shala-shala kasi.
Di ba parang naman lahat? Hindi naman lahat.
There's like a connotation. Connotation ba yung term nun? Na pagka kunyari, bakla, nakakatawa. Pag tibo, masyadong parang
Masculine.
Pero naman totoo naman kasi. I'm
It's
sorry.
kind of, it's a stereotype because it's true somewhat, di ba? Yung parang, although I think it's also parang, I don't know. Kasi di ba pa usually pag mga bading, parang that's the only way na parang they'll be accepted or tolerated is because they're funny. Parang ganon. Whereas, lesbians naman, parang, like, so, I don't know if this is real, pero like kami, the lesbians we know, are always like fighting for something. They're very like activists by nature. So sometimes, alam mo yung sa akin din naman, yung aktivista rin naman ako, pero yung sa akin yung parang, my God, lahat ba? Hindi naman. Yung parang nakakapagod, pwede namang hindi, di ba? Yung parang, okay lang ba ako na wag na ito? Okay naman.
Ay, not all naman.
Not all.
Baka mapakinggan to ng mga kaibigan natin. Sabihin, hoy, gina-judge mo kami.
So, do you think you're funny because na pasok kayo doon sa sangkabaklaan?
Oh, no.
She's
Yeah, I think we're funny regardless of what gender we are, regardless of our body type, of our skin
Even
tone.
me as a
Yeah.
kid, I was like, I was considered funny na.
Yeah.
Ika pa lang in my family. Then when I met her, yan pala talaga yung nakakatawa. Yan. I mean, we're
Ako
really
ganon,
funny.
even as a child. Alam mo yun, I would do impressions of my titos,
Uy, mag-stand
my
up na kayo!
Ang hirap magsulat ng material eh. Parang ang hirap.
Pero kaya mo
Impersonate.
yun. Kaya mo yun.
Impersonation.
Stand up.
Oo.
Material na yun.
Ako hindi ko talaga kaya yun. Lutang.
Kaya
Ano nga ba sinasabi ko?
Di yun ang title nung sa'yo, But I Digress.
I digress. Iba-iba na.
Walang nabuo.
Pwede
Walang
yung
nabuo na
segue
thought,
mo.
But I Digress. Donald Trump lang.
Hi, I'm Joelle. I talk for a living and I'm an overthinker. Life keeps going and the questions keep coming. But I hope you find comfort in the fact na hindi ka mag-isa. Ang dami nating overthinker, no? Sa ups and downs, twists and turns ng buhay, paano kung ituloy lang natin ang paghanap ng kasagutan? Ready? Tara! This is Joelle's podcast. Paano kung? Powered by the Pod Network.
So, paano ka naman napasok sa showbiz?
Actually, matagal ko siyang dininay na eto naman talaga yung gusto kong gawin. Mag-artista. Pero,
Kaya siya nag-start?
late na. I started in 2009. What happened kasi,
In your 40s na or late 30s?
Like late 30s.
Okay.
30s. Yeah.
kasi si Ida, so she was still a dancer. In 2009, accident at work.
What?
Naka-harness, flying.
Shoot.
Napigtas yung kable
tali.
niya. She fell 36 feet.
Oh, fudge! And then?
Yeah. So but look at her. She's very well now. She's very recovered.
Nabuo.
No permanent damage. Ewan ko lang. Charet, love you.
Matagal na yun.
Bago
Before
pa
the
yung aksidente.
Before the accident.
So parang after that, we sort of, what's the word? We recalibrated what was important.
Our lives.
Our lives. Kami, kasi we literally had the floor just torn out from under us. Yung parang it was a
That's
huge,
almost a year of recovery for
kasi she was in recovery for like 7 months, 8 months.
When you fell, oo.
So yung,
Unconscious ka ba?
yung
When I
pelvis
fell-
niya wasak, as in she couldn't walk.
Yeah.
Bali-balito.
Bali-bali.
Her elbow, she still has the scar.
Oh, shoot!
Shattered yan, durog.
Bukas to?
Hindi naman bukas, pero durog yung buto. So now there's like a titanium hinge.
Titanium nga. I
It's
forgot
not
the
ba?
term. Mas high-tech
Whatever.
pa to.
Basta anyway. So anyway, and then after that, it was right before 2009. We were all, I was in advertising. She was, na yung buhay namin, yung para kaming borders in each other's lives. Yung hindi na kami halos
Kasi syempre ako dancer, di ba maraming shows.
nakikita na parang all about the grind, na all about making money, bringing home money. And then that happened. And then we realized na parang, what are we doing? This is not
is this
what's
what you want?
important. Yung parang, So yun na parang, inamin ko na parang, gusto ko naman talaga mag-artista lang eh. So, gusto ko lang umarte. Actually, yun.
Lang
Gusto
yung
kong
turn
maging
Kaya pala ang
actor.
ganda po ng pagkaka-arte nyo kanina.
Lord, sabi ko, Lord,
Parang ibang character.
Biglang lumalabas eh.
parang tama naman ka!
May tears pa eh. Parang paluhan.
Almo, kasabi ko.
Medyo parang na-stroke na tayo doon. Pero okay lang.
So, ganun, stinart ko to. Tapos kasabay pa nangyari yung Ondoy, di ba? 2009. Yung, tapos parang ang dami kong old friends na nakita kasi yung mga friends na may friend kami from college na talagang lubog hanggang second floor yung bahay niya sa Marikina. So, tapos yung isang friend ko, director siya ng mga teleserye. Tapos sinabi ko lang sa kanya, sabi ko, ano mo, dream ko lang gumanap na na kasambahay. Gawin mo. Oo, tapos sabi niya, gaga pa, no? Di ba?
Di ka mapasang kasambahay.
He did it. Naka-regional accent ako. Yung tatay ko, Bisaya. So, it was easy for me to do that. So, yun yung very, very first,
Sample,
ko.
Ang galing.
Basta may ganon. Ako yung yaya. Ang mag-asawa si Sam Milby tsaka si Maha Salvador. Tapos meron silang 6-year-old boy. Ako yung yaya. Na
puting yaya naman
si Joshua. Nakayaya outfit ako. Tapos pero ang tawag ko sa kanya si Joshua. From then on, nagtuloy-tuloy na
Ang galing. So you do it full-time already, acting?
kind of, yeah. Yeah. Na tapos yun, lagi akong, akala kasi parang hindi nila matanggap na actually komedyante ako.
Oo nga eh.
So laging ang role
serious
ko is
roles.
doktor, abogado, judge, yung
serious
gravitas,
roles.
parang ganyan. When actually, ang gusto ko lang naman,
Mag-comedy.
Ito na ngayon. Stand-up ka na. Stand-up comedy ka na. Anong field tingin nyo ang maraming mga tiboli? Na hindi out.
na hindi
Ayun,
interesting.
IT.
IT? Baka
Out
ano?
sila yata
Hindi,
lahat.
ito,
Out sila lahat.
entertainment, TV, and film.
Entertainment.
Meron.
Yeah.
Showbiz?
Na hindi out?
Oo.
Not out.
Not out.
Showbiz.
Showbiz?
Oo, correct.
Tibo not bakla
O gender
out.
siguro.
Siguro kasi mas madaling umarte na
Or partially
ibang
out.
character.
Or
It's hard
Partially
to
out.
say kasi baka masira yung career
Or
mo.
open secret siguro.
open secret yan. Ang dami mong kilala na ganyan.
Open secret within the
Public,
community.
pero within the siguro, they know, like the managers, the other artists.
Out si Michelle D, di ba? Parang
I've
may
never
section.
worked with her, but I've heard that, yeah.
I think she's super out.
Yeah.
Like galing nga eh. She's very out.
Ang generation nila kaya eh, mag-out na
Wala
kaya.
Actually,
madali
yun,
na ngayon.
Yung
wala na.
Gen Z, Gen Alpha, actually, ang saya-saya
They're
nila.
very lucky. Because I have an aunt, for example, ano siya, OB-GYN eh. Tapos nakilala niya yung partner niya. Patient niya.
Pinap-smear niya.
Oh nga, so convenient ng OB-GYN na ang dami mo na nakikitang pepe. She's OB.
Oh my God!
Teka lang.
Wait, hold on. Wait, is that not a conflict of interest?
Anytime na to, ano
Pasyente mo yung ano.
But I don't think that's true for girls. Any
Yeah.
lesbian.
won't be attracted to
Whether
that kind of method.
your
no?
mask, I don't think that's true
Yeah,
for
yeah.
girls. For
Na-
lesbians. Na because you see the pekpek, you get attracted.
Hindi
No, I
naman,
don't think
di ba?
I think, no.
That's why it's still,
Yeah.
alam mo yung, it's still, to me, unfathomable. No!
Lalo na, pengi nga ng dictionary.
It's still unthinkable to me yung lalaki na OB-GYN. Di ko kaya, alam mo yung hindi, yung parang like
Why?
sa US, di ba, karamihan ng OB-GYN nila lalaki. Alam mo yung hindi ko, alam mo yung parang why? I cannot.
Don't touch me. Don't look at me.
Tsaka you will not respect what I say. You will not respect what the pain I complain about because as a man, you will not. You will dismiss. You will diminish my
What I feel.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ano, may questions pa kayo?
Meron ako eh, nakalimutan
Ayun
ko
na.
na.
Ito, kalutang mo.
Mag-ano ulit tayo?
Naguluhan sila. Akala nila may nangyayari. Okay, ito dito na.
Parang kala mo may
kaya niyo unahan nga trip to Jerusalem.
Musical chairs.
Musical chairs. Ano, in this lifetime, for example, ano pa yung gusto niyong gawin? As a
Ang
couple,
dami pa.
As a couple,
as individuals.
Get married for sure.
Yeah, get married for sure.
Yeah.
Saan ba if ever? Is
Marami
California
naman.
ba? Dami na ba option?
Taiwan.
Taiwan, they have it
Ay, hindi,
already.
di pa.
Taiwan,
di pa
hindi kailangan
ka.
citizen ka.
Pwede New Zealand. I mean, like, ang dami naman bansa. Pero nga, pagdating mo dito, bali wala.
Pili ka nga mas mauna pa dito.
Pero
divorce
wait
kaysa
lang.
sa
Dapat
same-sex.
naman talaga kasi mauna divorce bago ang marriage equality.
Thank you. Oh.
Pero yun nga,
Parang
parang
kasi mas gusto nila unahin yung, di ba, LGBT.
ano
Sa process, alam mo yun? Yung,
anong meron sa marriage na kailangan magkaroon?
Gusto namin.
Kasi hindi kami kasal eh.
okay,
Kailangan
I
ba
want,
natin
I just
for
want
ano?
the legality of it.
I'm like sa hospital.
Because right now,
Yeah.
I feel married. This is a marriage.
Oo,
I
naman.
don't,
Ikaw,
alam
sure
mo
you,
yun,
you
it doesn't
feel married,
matter
right?
what you say to me.
I'm married.
We are.
yeah.
This is a marriage. Alam mo yun? But
we
I'm
need
just
the,
after the legality of it all.
legalities.
Talaga?
Na, like, for
Siguro
me-
tamad lang ako sa paperwork.
Well, kasi lang, kunyari, kami we've experienced yung ngayon na-hospitalize ako. That was a month.
Oo.
I had
Buti na
so
lang,
many
her
surgeries.
family is very accepting,
Oo,
very
so-
understanding. Like, ang dami kong, buti lang yung mami niya, ganon. Yung, kasi hindi ako pwede sa recovery room, hindi ako pwede. CT scan lang, hindi ako
Hindi
pwede.
niya ako masundo.
Yung mga gano'n.
Oo,
Ang dami niya
immediate family.
nakapito siyang surgery. Hindi ako pwede
Hindi
hanggang
siya.
nabas
Naghihintay
lang
lang siya sa
ako.
kwarto ko. Pag binalik na ako.
So, ang daming medical decision na kailangan for us. Ano siya nun eh, naka-pain meds siya 24/7 kasi nga bakli-bakli siya eh. So wala siyang, she wasn't lucid. Walang sobriety. So ang nagdi-decision is kami ng mami niya. Buti na lang kasi nga yung mami niya. Ako,
Pinagkakatiwala.
I'm very lucky that her family is like that. Other people aren't that lucky.
Diba?
Lalo ko against the...
Kami, so for us,
Diba?
yes.
That her mom was always like, may ganun siya agad. Yung pag si May sasabihin, kailangan daw po ganito or ganito. Yung mami niya laging, tingin mo, Sandy? Alam mo yon yung kasi ang tagal na rin namin, 13 years na tayo nun eh.
Nung time na nangyari.
Okay.
Yun lang,
I get.
as simple
Yun
as
lang.
that. I guess.
I get.
Or in a way rin, pinaglalaban namin. Kasi, sabi niyo hindi pwede. Bakit? Diba? Parang,
Tama.
in a way, parang, kailangan na ng progress. Sama na tayo, Philippines. Come on. Thailand nga meron eh.
Oo nga.
Hindi pa sila, diba?
Curious ako malaman. Kasi both of you, all girls school.
Yeah.
Meron bang naging contribution yon kung bakit kayo attracted sa
I'm sure.
female?
I'm sure.
I'm sure.
Although I was never gay in school.
Ako din, I wasn't.
I never
But
had.
I had like, I knew I had like, ay, ang ganda nito.
Parang under
You know, like,
parang ganda, parang
Siyempre, I don't think about it sexually kasi
Yeah,
baka
yeah,
ako, no? Pero, ay, ang ganda niya. Alam mo yung drawn ka, eh.
May ganun yung parang drawn ka kasi
Gusto
yung
ko siya
parang,
makasama. Ang
ang
cool
ganda
niya.
niya magtupi ng medyas. Gusto ko.
Yung mga ganyan.
Alam mo yun? Yung mga ganon.
Oo.
But I was never gay in high school.
Ako din, I don't think I could think na gay na ako noon.
Naalala ko
think
pa
so.
parang the
Pero-
the first time I ever received flowers was from a girl in school, upperclassman na hindi ko kilala. So naalala ko pa yon na naiyak pa ako sa nanay ko. Kasi parang it was the 80s. So iba pa yung takbo ng utak mo. So yun pa yung iniiyak ko na parang, hala, paano na yan? For the rest of my life, ang sasabihin ko first time ko makabulaklak sa babae.
Ayaw mo.
Oo. Na yun pala, it's perfect.
Yung pala yun.
Perfect.
Diba?
Sinubusan ako ng mga tanong.
Kasi ang liit ng notebook ko.
Napagalitan ka tuloy.
Napakaliit naman kasi.
Ito, may question ako. Mababaw lang naman. Yung nagra-rap ng boobs.
Ayun,
Sakit nun.
Hindi ko alam.
Ay, di po kayo na ganun.
Hindi ko alam.
What do you think about those kinds of...
Actually kasi,
Kanya-kanya ka. Di ba?
kanya-kanya yun. Yung iba kasi, hindi na talaga kaya na may boobs sila eh. Kami kasi, we both love that
So
we're
like,
women.
kunyari like,
She loves her.
yeah. So
boobs.
kunyari like, I
Just a
know,
short hair.
I know
Alam mo yun?
people,
As a woman.
people perceive me as masculine, as ganyan, because I'm boyish. I'm not the most feminine. I really don't care, but I don't identify as,
A male.
as a
Masculine.
not
Ano
at
ba?
all
Paano
a
ba yung
male.
classification ngayon? Kasi
As
halimbawa,
mask lesbian, parang
Yun.
masculine lesbian, I do not
Mask
at all
lesbian.
identify as that.
So ano po yung butch?
Yun.
Yun din.
Mask
Butch.
lesbian.
My entire life, yun yung sinasabi sa akin,
Oh.
butch daw ako. So yung parang ako, okay.
Sabi niyo.
Bala kayo.
Okay.
Kasi di ba kunyari
Pero
pag
kasi
sa
like in
gays,
my work,
yeah.
'di ba, yung so forever naman ako na slightly nasa entertainment. Alam mo yung kahit naman nag-host ako dati ng mga corporate party, na mga ganyan, pag sumasampa ako, wala akong issue na nakagown ako, nakatakong ako, nakaganyan. Tapos wala akong issue about that. Ganun lang. Ngayon, ang issue ko magtakong is because ang tanda ko na ayoko na. Not anything to do with whatever masculine, feminine,
Tsaka pag nag-dress ka,
kemerot.
kailangan mo mag-proper shoes.
Yeah.
Ang sakit. Huwag na tayo mag-dress. Ever.
Di ba 30 years na kayo? Meron pa ba nagja-judge sa inyo? Like yung mga close, not naman close, like
Circle of
nas-
friends, parang
acquaintances.
Siguro there are, not naman seriously na judging us, but you still experience sort of these microaggressions of, yung kumbaga, how do I explain it? Yung parang,
Yung mga
kunyari,
side comment.
yung kunyari, they don't realize na actually they're putting you down. Yung parang, I have a friend na parang ang naging issue niya is, nakalimutan niya tanggalin yung wedding ring niya, naglinis siya ng banyo. Na-shoot, nahulog.
Oh, sa toilet.
Oo, so parang ganyan. Tapos nagkikwento siyang ganyan. Tapos ikaw naman, so paano? Yung parang ganon. So yung sagot niya, buti nga kayo, wala kayong gantong problema. Yung parang, goddamn girl! Yung,
May ganun pa.
na hindi mo na lang papatulan kasi alam mo naman na hindi mahal na
naman
mahal
yan.
kami nito. Alam
Hindi
niya
na
ako tong
sinasadya.
taong to. Pero sometimes may lumalabas talagang ganon. That's my
Diba,
example of, I don't know if
So
the
how do
right
you
word
deal with
is
it?
Wala.
nothing.
Or
Dead ma.
magsasabi ka lang ng
Siguro it depends on who's saying it.
Sa karamdam mo sa tone kung parang
Sinadya
half
ba
meant,
to?
or
Yeah.
is it intended to be funny?
Parang hindi naman lahat, like, after like 29 years, we don't, yun na nga, we just choose our battles. We don't na, parang
It's
Ikaw na
not
yan.
worth the effort. Yung
Okay.
parang it's not worth the
The
energy,
stress,
the effort. Na parang if you're actually, if you don't matter naman in the whole picture of my life, then why
Or your
Diba,
will I waste
relationship.
energy?
if I see you lang naman, once a year, or like, okay.
Naalala ko na yung kakwento ko. Yung ex ko kasi, nag-frisbee din. Kilala kayo. Tapos alam ko may crush siya kay Ida. So how do you, for example, deal with, kunyari may mga attracted sa either of you guys?
Marami
we
kami
love that.
pinagdaanan
We love
na
that,
ganun.
yeah.
We love that for each other. I mean, it's, di ba? Like, I celebrate her. Pag marami rin
Crush sa kanya.
crush sa kanya, I celebrate it. Parang, yeah, I know. I got the...
Wala
got
kaming
what you want.
we're
I
not
got what
jealous,
you want.
possessive
Yeah.
that way.
Cool.
Wala kaming ganon. Yung,
Diba?
Yung
Actually,
pagbabawalan
it
siya
flatters.
sumayaw,
Oh,
ganyan.
Oh my God!
Anong tanong mo?
Baka ipag-resign ako ni
Pagbabawalan siya
Lord!
sumayaw.
Ano, hindi ako
baka
pinag-resign
ipag-resign kayo ni Lord. Wala kaming ganon. Wala kaming
ganon.
jealousy, possessive
I was
na
jealous
ganyan.
nung bata tayo. Nung bata pa kami. Kasi, siguro kasi nga first relationship ko siya. So, grabe, talagang, don't talk to
First
him.
relationship
Don't talk-
ever?
Ever.
Like not even with a boyfriend?
No, never.
Wow! Oo, kilig ka.
Pero you knew na lesbian ka.
Hindi. I just fell in love with her lang talaga. Kasi ganun ako, wala akong pake na babae siya. Hindi ako na-shock sa sarili ko. Parang normal.
Pero
Diba?
sa family nyo back then, okay lang.
Sa family ko, sa mom ko, walang problema. Like I told her lang, I mean, she happened to know na, mukhang sila na. Tapos, so
Hindi
that's
yung
when...
pakilala na, best friend ko.
Hindi, nung una ganon.
Una ganon,
Friend
parang,
ko.
oh.
Hindi ko pa agad, hindi ako nagladlad agad sa mom ko. Actually, nalaman niya,
Okay, ganito. So, ito yung
nakakaloka.
era namin. Ganito kami kalumang tao. Landline pa yung... May landline pa. So, yung landline nila sa bahay, telebabad kayo, di ba, landline? Yung landline nila is nandun sa yung hallway kung nasan yung paglabas lahat ng kwarto, lahat ng bedroom nandun.
Common
Dun
area.
siya. Tapos I guess, nag-aaway kami. Nagtataas ng boses, lumalakas yung boses niya. Andun lang yung room ni mami niya. So biglang
lahat.
lalabas na parang, Ida, ano ba yan? Parang ganyan. Tapos biglang ito, Ma! pumasok ka muna sa kwarto, nag-aaway kami ni Sandy.
Ano obvious?
Ang drama.
So ako on the other end, yung parang, okay, kailangan
Best friend ba
i-pause tong away natin kasi I think nagladlad ka sa nanay mo. Parang ganyan.
Oh shit. Oh nga. No.
Parang, sige, baba muna natin. Tas yung mami niya very, alam mo yung very UP in the 60s, flower power.
70s,
70s.
actually. She's very young.
Very ganon.
Hippie girl type.
So nung pumasok siya na, ma, kami ni Sandy. Tapos yung sagot na lang ng mami niya, yung parang, mukhang seryoso kayo, ayusin mo yung pag-aaral mo. Alam mo, nauwi lang sa
that's all she
so
said.
dun siya sa...
Ganun sila eh.
Galing.
No, nung nag-live kami together, so 2 years into our relationship, nag-live-in na kami.
Late, hindi kami,
Hindi
wala
kami agad-agad. 2 years
Yung
na
joke
kami.
about lesbians, di ba?
Yeah.
Nalipat bahay agad. So, diba, U-Haul lesbians, yun yung joke nila.
Ang
Second date pa lang, ang dala mo na truck ng lipat bahay. Second date pa lang, dala mo na lahat ng kasangkapan mo, live-in na kayo. Kasi nga, tayo, ganun ng girls, di ba?
Pero yung pagka-live-in namin, sa bahay ko,
Ng family niya, ng lola
bali
niya.
inuwi ko yung girlfriend ko. Inuwi
Tapos
ko
ang lola
siya.
mo nandun pa.
Yeah,
Oh.
it was my lola's house.
Ay, love
We
na
all
love ako
lived
ng lola
together.
niya. Love na love ko yung lola niya.
So, it was perfect kasi super welcome siya. They knew na talaga we were together by then. Yun. So, she lived with us. We lived there under that roof
For 4 years. Before we got our own apartment.
Yeah.
But how is it, for example, kasi I would think, you grew up in a Chinese community, kasi ika.
No, mas Pinoy nga kami. I mean,
So,
I know my
yeah.
Chinese side, my relatives, pero I'm closer to the Filipino side.
Okay.
So, walang pake. I mean,
Kaya mas open din to that
Tas
relationship.
sobra silang, they loved Sandy from the start, like yung side na yun. Yung Chinese, I think they just found out late na eh. Parang, kasi I barely see them. So,
Parang wala kang term na Chinese for, meron ba, lesbian?
I don't know.
Or
I don't know.
bakla, wala rin yata.
I don't
Parang
know.
wala.
Dude,
Parang wala.
na joke lang. Ano yun? Pupunta ka sa hell. Sabi
Hindi
niya.
naman.
Ah,
Kaya ang daming tiborn na
sorry na. Anyway, Tiborn again.
Maraming ganyan. Yung out na, tapos biglang naging Christian.
Tapos
Biglang babalik sa
straight
closet,
ulit.
straight daw
Tiborn
siya.
again.
So yun ang tawag namin, tiborn again.
Ang sad, di ba?
Oo.
Ano ba yan?
Tsaka parang buong buhay
Nakalaya
mo na
ka
yung
na
susupreso.
Kukulong mo ulit yung sarili mo sa closet.
Wala. Hindi nila
Charot.
Ito kay angle na.
Sa gays, di ba, meron parang top and bottom. Sa girls, ba may ganun?
Alam mo, nababasa ko yan. Meron, nababasa
Hindi
ko yan.
kami,
Na sa
meron.
lesbians daw, meron ding top and bottom.
Meron.
Na, I guess though, it's just
I know.
who is more. Can you explain it?
No, I think, merong lesbians, they don't want to be touched.
Rebel.
No, wait, that's
They're
different.
just-
No, hold on.
Ay, hindi yan
That's
top and
one-way
bottom.
sex.
Ayun, yun.
That's not top and bottom. It has nothing to do with top and bottom.
pala. Sorry, hindi ko pala.
Ito parang ano lang, siguro more of identifying who's more feminine than the other. Kasi
Parang
halimbawa,
I think there's just parang yung top and bottom yata sa lesbians is one is more aggressive in the bedroom, in bedroom activities.
Parang swimming. Parang wrestling movie yata.
Actually, it's been explained to me so many times and I still don't understand it. I don't. Pero ibang topic yun yung one-way,
Iba pala
two-way.
yun. Meron
Actually,
kasi
nung
one-way.
90s nga, so
Meron
meron
pa
kang
yun?
mga lesbian friends na gano'n, na yung bago daw nilang jowa, one-way sex lang.
Oo.
Hindi siya pwede mag-reciprocate. Parang ganyan.
Kung selfish bitch ka, no? Game!
wait, na-interview namin si Miss Tessa.
sorry.
Kinukwento ni Tessa, di ba?
Yung one-way, yung nagsasabing one-way is the person who doesn't want to be touched.
Sorry. Yes.
Yeah, but this was in the 90s and I had friends who got into relationships like that. Nasa kanila yung parang, this is so hard, hindi ko kaya. Yung parang, because, di ba yung, kumbaga, it's sex. It's supposed to be.
Ayaw niya
Give and
ng
take,
sure.
give and take. Yeah.
Tapos when I first heard about that, it was the 90s. Tapos ngayon, malalaman mo na those
prefer the one way.
lesbians who wanted one way na kumbaga don't touch me, don't come near me, they became trans men. So it wasn't, it was more that, parang, I don't want my boobs. I
What do you
don't want
say?
my
Anong
vagina.
term na yun?
So,
Don't touch my boobs, don't touch my vagina.
this is not part of me. Parang
I don't
it was
feel
their
like
own
it.
body.
Dysmorphia.
Is that still correct to say?
Yeah. I heard it
Tama.
recently sa isang trans
Okay,
interview,
yes,
yung
yes.
dysmorphia.
Yeah.
I don't want to be pleasured by this.
Oo,
Yes.
kasi hindi yan part ng
So
kasama
now
ko.
you
Hindi yan.
understand
Oo,
why.
oo. Pero alam ko ngayon, meron pa rin nung ganon, yung one-way sex. Yun, hindi ko na alam yun. Wala na akong first-hand information nun. Wala na akong kilala na ganon.
Did you ever consider like taking pill? Yung pang hormonal pills to...
Tama ba?
Kasi I have a friend who does that. Na wala na siyang menstruation.
Well, ang menopause na ako, so what's it matter?
Pareho kami. We're both menopause na.
Gusto ko rin. Ayoko na.
Pero alam mo,
Pero in my 30s, nagkaroon ako ng hormonal imbalance na sobra-sobra yung estrogen ko. Ito pa, my God, side story. So, nagkaroon ako ng hormonal imbalance pero hindi ko alam yung nangyayari sa akin. Basta ganon, alam mo yung commercial lang ng refrigerator, umiiyak ako, ganyan yung...
OA na siya.
As in commercial.
30s
In my 30s.
30s pa lang, nagkaroon siya ng imbalance.
Oo, parang early 2000s, ganyan. Tapos, tumawag ako dun sa OB ko, gagawa ako ng appointment. Nasabi niya, bakit? Diba? Sabi ko, Doc, hindi ko alam may nangyayari. Nasabi ko, yung commercial lang nung Pila Corba na parang may dineliver na refrigerator dun sa pamilya. Parang yun yung commercial na nung time na yun. Humahagulgul ako, pinapasok yung refrigerator dun sa kusina. Yung parang ganyan. Yung kapurit na bagay, yung meron kang nakita na, yung may commercial na gano'n na binigyan ng bata ng greeting card yung lolo niya, humahagulgul ako. Gano'n yung
OA
psycho.
siya.
Oo, so parang may nagsabi sa akin na baka hormonal imbalance kaya ako nag-a-appointment. Tapos eto naman yung microaggression din ng OB ko. Kumbaga OB ko na siya for years. Ang sagot niya sa akin, tinutubuan ka ba ng bigote? Yung bang knuckles mo, tinutubuan ng balahibo? Tapos ako, ano nagiging werewolf ako?
Kasi tanong, di ba?
Yung pala, when I said the hormonal imbalance, she immediately went na since I'm a lesbian, testosterone yung sobra sa akin. Kasasabi ko lang sa kanya na iniiyakan ko lahat. So obviously, that should have been estrogen. Pero yung bias niya,
Ang weird
so right after that, nagpalit ako ng OB. Hanap ako ng ibang OB.
Kasi you can't trust her anymore.
Oo, sinabi ko sa'yo, lahat iniiyakan ko. Biglang ang sagot mo sa akin, may bigote ka na ba?
Tsaka yung
Sana
knuckles.
sinapak mo.
Tsaka yung knuckles.
Diba? Ito, werewolf. Diba? Lord, palamdam mo naman, mahal mo.
Lahat bagay lahat pwede gamitan eh.
Anyway, so yun. So naka-birth control pills ako for like 6 months.
Nakakatulong pala yun?
I guess for hormonal imbalance. So lahat ng
binigay
friends
sa
namin,
kanya.
parang we were really close to this other lesbian couple na super shala-shala, yung Richie Rich people. Tapos yun yung tawa lang sila ng tawa na parang the only lesbian on birth control pills. What are you protecting yourself from, Sandy? My God, Ida, is your tongue so powerful?
Diba?
Nakakabuntis.
That you can make this happen? I mean, come on!
Imagine, di ba? Kailangan.
Ang ganda na. Material mo na yun sa stand-up.
Material na yan.
Oo naman.
Alam mo yung everyday lang na nagkukwento, yung ikwento mo sa akin.
I-record mo. Tapos
Yun na.
para
Tapos
maalala
practice
niya.
mo. Tapos yun na. Salang ka na.
Paramdam mo naman! Shit, hindi maluma-luma tong joke na
Hindi
to
pa,
sa
bago
akin.
pa lang.
Hindi, by the time lumabas to,
Ay, luma na. Ay, okay nga, para hindi na.
Kasi
baka mamaya
fire
may
prevention
magalit.
month na nga eh.
May magalit sa show nila.
Fire prevention month. Lord, wag niyo sunugin niyo!
Thank you.
Thank you. Ang ganda ng
Thank
segue.
Oo nga. Tsaka you did most of the talk. That's fine. Tawa lang kami ng tawa.
Actually siya, kaya na niya.
Open mic mo na to.
Open mic mo na to.
Hindi, ulitin na natin.
Nakakatakot.
Lord. Thank you. Kaya mula sa kaboses mong tawang-tawa, kina Sandy at Ida, si Dee.
Mula sa kaboses nyong sumakit ang panga sa dalawang tomboy na to. Gini
Mula sa kaboses nyo, kung magiging tomboy, hindi na kailangan mag-rap ng dede. Kay Asko kami ang
Lady Bosses!
Thank you. Mabuhay ang sangkatibuan!
Mabuhay!
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.